Hi guys, good evening. This is Rose and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we're going to discuss how to create an inventory adjustment. So for example, you've received a specific item in a box. You're going to sell it by piece. So before you're going to create an invoice for that, you must create an inventory adjustment to adjust the boxes to pieces. So let's have an example for a clear picture. So open our Zoho books, click the bookmark. Okay, so for example, for disposable mass, we have stock on hand of 950 boxes. So let's say we would like to transfer at least 10 boxes to pieces, and let's assume that in one box there's 50 pieces. So 950, we're gonna subtract this by 10, and we're gonna transfer 10 times 50, it's 500. We're gonna transfer 500 pieces. So let's go to inventory adjustment, click new, then you can please choose mode of adjustment, quantity adjustment. So the reference, reclass 10 boxes of disposable mass to pieces. Is that correct? Then adjustment cost of goods sold. So it means that after you posted this entry, then it has an effect on both inventory and cost. The reason, please choose inventory evaluation. Then you can copy this reference here. It's fine that we have the same reference. So let's start the adjustment. First, disposable mass by box. So the original stock on hand is 950. Then we're gonna reduce it by 10. So add here negative 10. So to get the result of 940. Then disposable mass per piece. So you must create a separate product description, guys, and put per piece, because the original product description that we've created is only disposable mass. And to be more specific, create another product description with additional term per piece. So 10 then times 50, it's 500. So put 500 here. So after we posted this entry, then the new stock on hand will be 750. So that's it only. So the purpose of this presentation, guys, is I just want to emphasize that before you're gonna create an invoice, please ensure that you've already done the adjustments, so that the accountant or the one who controls the software will not encounter any problems later on when if we'll conduct a monthly inventory, because most of the reason why our actual inventory is different from the inventory evaluation or the inventory reports showing in Zoho accounting software is because we forget to adjust those transactions that we sold either by bundle or by single piece. So, well, if you see, it's just a simple entry, but it has a big impact when when the time that you'll be doing the monthly inventory reconciliation. This has a big impact. So example, convert to adjustment. Then let's go back to items again to see if the entry was successfully adjusted. So now disposable mass per box is 940 and the pieces is 750. So I just want to give you a sample on what I'm referring. So for example, we're gonna create an invoice. So new. So this invoice refers to sales invoice. So for example, I'll select disposable mass per piece. Okay, so here it's showing stock on hand of 750. So imagine if I'm gonna sell 500 pieces to one customer, and if I have not done with the adjustment that we just posted right now, so if you'll create a sales invoice, it's gonna show only 250 pieces, right? And your customer is requesting, um, he would like to buy 500 pieces. So the best thing, please adjust first the inventory. Some of those boxes that you'd receive, please adjust it to pieces before you'll create a tax invoice, so we don't have problem at the end of the month. So this means that what are the figures reflecting on Zoho accounting software in inventory schedule, it's also the same with the result as per the actual inventory count. That's only the I would like to emphasize, because most of the time, based on my experience in working as an accountant for how many years, for more than 10 years, the problem is always on the inventory side. So it's better that the inventory controller and the accountant, or the one who processed the order, must coordinate every now and then, so that during the audit or monthly inventory count, we don't have problem. We'll just count, compare with the Zoho accounting software schedule, then we're done. That's it for tonight. Have a nice evening.